Hello everyone, I am Debangana. You are watching Crafting with Debangana. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you like my last video where I have explained how to create paper garland for room decoration. Haven't watched it? Please watch it. Link is here. If you miss it, no problem. Link is in description below. Please watch it. Okay, what can I make today? Okay, let's make some interesting and easy. I always try to make some easy stuffs, but I must say you this one is the easiest. See this one, a multicolored paper flower. Wait, you may think, what can I do with this flower? Actually, these have multi-purpose uses. I will show you. Make the flower in big size. And you may decorate your room like this by attaching these small flowers in a garland shape. You can also decorate your wall like this. You can put the flowers one after another and sew it. You have to take 15 small flowers minimum and make the garland. You can use this garland for puja purpose. And if you just create these flowers, then put this one on the vase with a stick. It looks beautiful also. So don't wait. Grab some paper. It may be newspaper or magazine paper. It is better if you have some colorful A4 paper and start crafting with me. Love my video? Then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and press the like button.